Coconut prawn curry is one of my favorites. There are many ways to make it. Here is one. In this recipe, we are going to use prawn heads as well, so remove the stomach from the head and the intestine. Otherwise, you will get a bitter taste. Cook 1 cup of finely chopped onion until golden brown. Add 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, 1 bay leaf, half a teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of toasted cumin powder, chili powder to taste, pinch of black pepper and salt to taste. This is a mild curry, so I am not gonna add many spices. I want the coconut flavor to be prominent. Toast it for a second, then add your prawn and prawn heads. That's a must because it adds a lot of flavor. Cook it until the water evaporates, then add your coconut milk and a little water depending on how thick you like your curry to be. Add a few green chilies, bring to a boil. Cook it for a few minutes and it's ready to serve. Hope you like it and thanks for watching.